JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the IWC Spitfire IW387901. I'm going to talk to you about the case, the movement, the dial, the strap, and say a few features and try it on for you. And if you'd like to buy this watch after watching this video, simply click on the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the case. Going from my thumb to my index finger is 41 millimeters. This watch is stainless steel. It's not too fat. It's got a height, as in from my thumb to my index finger, of 15.1 millimeters. It has a screw down crown, and it has a water resistance of 6 bars, when I believe each bar is 10 meters, so that should be 60 meters and should be plenty. Now let's talk about the movement. The movement uses a 69380 caliber IWC manufactured movement. That means in-house, and has a 46-hour power reserve with 231 components and 33 joules. A frequency of 28,800, which is pretty standard. Basically, all that means is this is a really good movement made by IWC. It lasts for 46 hours, and it's really nice. Now let's talk about the dial. The dial is black, as you can see, with this luminescence. Now, I really like this dial for a couple of reasons. I like this old-looking patina, this kind of yellowish at this 12, 3, 6, and 9, and the hands. And I like that it luminesces. In fact, here's what it looks like when it luminesces. You see how it makes those hour hands really pop? I love it. It looks great. To me, it looks really fashionable, looks really hip, kind of vintage. I don't know. It just looks really cool to me. I'm kind of one of those guys. Okay, so now let's move on to the strap. The strap is 20 millimeters in width, and I love that it uses this like NATO green textile strap. Looks like a canvas strap. Just looks more rugged and more cool. I just love it. Okay, so it also, I forgot to say, it has a chronograph function with hours, minutes, and seconds, as you see here. And it actually has what's called a soft iron inner case for protection against magnetic fields. Like, I suppose if you're going to be doing something around magnetic fields. What else is pretty cool is that it has a day and date function, which is not something you see very often on chronographs. I'm going to show you that. A day and a date. That means the day, Monday through Sunday, and a date, 1 through 31. You pull it out the crown like this to move it to the date, and then the day, you scroll the other direction, and then it would move like such. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool. Not only can you time elapsed time, you can also see what day and date it is, because some of us don't always remember what the date is. Okay, it uses a sapphire crystal, and that's why you see this like kind of funny violet shine, and that's because it has a anti-reflective coating, kind of like what you do on your on your glasses. Okay, at any rate, if you like this watch, I would love for you to buy it at JazzTime.com and not somebody else. So visit us using the description links, the link in the description below. That's what it looks like on my wrist. How would you like to see it on your wrist? Go to JazzTime.com and buy it.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.